Perched on the dramatic coastal cliffs of Oaxaca, Mexico, Tobi House sits on a steeply sloped site that descends westward, offering uninterrupted views of the Pacific Ocean and its vibrant sunsets. Designed by Espacio 18 Arquitectura, this home embraces a simple yet poetic architectural approach, one that reinterprets local traditions with fluid spatial transitions and moments of surprise. The house is a conversation between architecture and nature, between structure and story. Visitors enter from the upper level, where a generous terrace and a reflecting pool mark the beginning of the experience. This water feature is more than aesthetic. It mirrors the surrounding jungle and the glowing sky at dusk, bringing a sense of freshness to the lower-level social spaces. It also sets the tone for a contemplative journey, where architecture is used to frame emotion and presence. Descending from the terrace, a narrow pathway gently compresses around you, creating a sense of protection akin to entering a cave. Then suddenly, the space opens into a stunning double-height living area, where expansive openings frame sweeping views of the hills and ocean. This level houses the study, kitchen, dining area, living room, pool, and fire pit, spaces designed for connection, relaxation, and flexibility. The layout follows the site's natural slope, making each level feel grounded and intentional. The home's multi-tiered configuration ensures that every room benefits from spectacular views. Even the lowest level, which contains the bedrooms, offers direct sight lines into the tree canopy, fostering an intimate indoor-outdoor relationship. Carefully selected materials and earth tones reference the warm colors of the Oaxacan sunset and subtly nod to the shell of a crab, helping the structure blend seamlessly into the rugged, coastal landscape. Materiality plays a critical role in the home's identity. The walls and textures recall natural rock formations and desert hues, grounding the architecture in its context. Tobi House feels like it has emerged from the terrain itself, a crustacean-like form resting on the rocks, organic yet protective. This harmony between design and nature becomes a defining element of the home. Water elements appear throughout the project, offering cooling, aesthetic delight, and symbolic resonance. These features draw inspiration from Here of El Agua, a famous petrified waterfall in Oaxaca. In Tobi House, water becomes a recurring theme, a reminder of stillness, movement, and life, deepening the home's sensory narrative and elevating the experience of everyday living. More than just a dwelling, Tobi House is a dream realized by a family through love and intention. It is an example of conscious design that honors the land, invites reflection, and redefines the relationship between people and place. In a world where tourism and development often clash with nature, Tobi House stands as proof that architecture can be both respectful and extraordinary, a space to gather, to enjoy, and to simply be.